I'll show you how. Usually, people line and fill their lips from the Cupid's bow to the corner.
This time, I'm going to take my liner and I'm going to start from the corner and work my way into the Cupid's bow.
For the bottom lip, I'm also lining from the corner to the middle.
Now I'm going to fill in the lips. So I'm hoping that you can see the difference between the fullness of this side and this side. And the simple difference is the way I've applied my lip liner from the corner inward, because this encourages the liner to sit on the top rim of your lip. To add that final finishing touch, get your favourite gloss. Simply dab a little in the middle of the lower lip for a really bee-stung, fuller lip look. There you have a really easy way to get a fuller looking lip. My name's Katie and I'm a professional makeup artist. Follow me if you want more tips like these.